Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting a workout on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Tap Workout. Then find the type of workout that you would like to record. There are lots to choose from. Tap a workout to select it. Then tap the icon of the workout to start the workout. There will be a countdown and then the workout will start recording. You can swipe down to see details of the workout. You can swipe from right to left to the music control screen, or swipe from left to right to pause or finish the workout. There are also some other options on the pause screen. You can tap the padlock icon to lock the screen. Tap Finish to end your workout. To see your workout once you are done, you can go to the Apps menu and tap Workout History. You can then view details about your workout. If you don't see the type of workout that you would like to record on the workouts list, then you can tap More Workouts at the bottom of the list. You now have a huge variety of workouts to choose from. Find the workout you would like to record, and like before, just tap it to select it, and then tap the icon of the workout to start the workout. If you would like to reorder the workout list so that your more frequently used workouts are at the top, then you can tap the settings cog at the bottom of the list of workouts. Then tap the workout that you would like to move to select it, and then swipe up or down to move it to where you would like it to be in the list. Tap the tick when the workout is in your desired position. You can add workouts to the list by tapping the plus icon, and then finding the workout that you would like to add and tapping the plus to the right of it to add it to the list. You can then swipe up or down to place it where you would like it to be in the list of workouts. Tap the tick when it's in the position you would like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.